All right, here are the correct answers for directed reading A, forecasting the weather. Number one, how far ahead does a weather forecast predict the weather? 3 to 5 days. So sometimes you see like the 10-day forecast, but only 3 to 5 days of that, the first 3 to 5 days are really accurate. Number two is a meteorologist, a person who makes weather predictions based on data and atmospheric conditions. Meteorologist. 3 is B, a windsock. 4 is D, a weather balloon. 5 is C, a barometer, measures air pressure. 6 is E, a thermometer, which measures temperature. And 7 is A, anemometer, which measures wind speed. 8, a weather balloon carries equipment that measures temperature, air pressure, and relative humidity. 9, weather balloons send measurements to weather stations through radio transmission. And 10, the liquid in a thermometer moves up the glass when the air temperature increases. 11, how does a barometer work? The air pressure pushes on mercury inside the glass tube. The higher the mercury rises, the greater the air pressure. 12 is radar, technology that shows the form, amount, and location of precipitation is radar. And 13 is the Doppler radar. 14, weather satellites orbit the Earth and provide images of weather systems that we see on television. So a lot of those weather reports, the weather maps we see are either from satellites or from the Doppler radar. 15, where does the National Weather Service get its information for its weather maps? It gets information from weather stations all across the U.S. A lot of times they're at airports, on top of schools. We used to have one here at J Stream. I think there might be one at the Carroll Stream Library. Wouldn't be surprised if there's one at like Glenbard North. So that like every town has got at least one, probably several weather stations. And they're just computers that are on top of buildings that take weather readings. 16 is a station model. 17 is an isobar, and 18 areas of high or low pressure. All right, those are the correct answers for directed reading 2.4 on forecasting the weather.